For 18 years, a man drove to work every single morning. He just never actually went. Jean-Claude Roman told his wife, his parents, and his friends that he was a researcher at the World Health Organization in Geneva. He had business cards. He had a salary. He had conferences in foreign cities. None of it was real. He had failed his medical exams in 1975 and simply never told anyone. Instead, he spent his days parked in forests and motorway rest stops, waiting until it was time to drive home. To fund the lie, he borrowed money from family. He promised investments. He drained their savings for years. By January 1993, the debts had caught up. The truth was about to surface. His response was not to confess. He killed his wife. He killed his 2 children. He drove to his parents' house and killed them too. Then he set the house on fire and waited inside. He survived. The murders took 1 weekend. The lie had taken 18 years to build them.